Have you ever had someone mess up your WordPress site because they had too much access? Or maybe you spent hours trying to lock down content only to find out users could still see things they shouldn't? That nightmare ends today because I'm about to show you AAM, the WordPress plugin that puts you in complete control. This is your site security guard, bouncer, and access manager all rolled into one powerful tool. And right now on AppSumo, you can grab lifetime access for just $49, slashed from the regular price. Let me show you exactly what makes AAM a game changer for anyone running a WordPress site. First off, AAM stands for Advanced Access Manager, and it's all about keeping your WordPress site locked down tight. Whether you run a membership site, a client portal, or manage multiple WordPress sites, this plugin is built for you. The core problem it solves is broken access controls, which is actually one of the leading security vulnerabilities on WordPress sites. Think about it. When someone has access to areas they shouldn't, your entire site becomes vulnerable. AAM fixes that by letting you control who sees what, who can do what, and where they can go on your site. Now let's talk about what's actually inside this beast of a plugin. The security audit feature is your first line of defense. It scans your entire WordPress site in minutes and detects misconfigurations, compromised accounts, and risky role assignments. You will instantly know if someone has too much power or if there is a security gap you didn't even know existed. This alone could save you from a disaster waiting to happen. Next up is granular access control, and this is where AAM really shines. You can manage permissions for any role, any user, or even anonymous visitors with super fine-tuned restrictions. Want to let editors publish posts but not delete them? Done. Need to restrict a specific user from accessing certain admin menus? No problem. AAM gives you over 150 compatibility options to customize exactly how your site behaves for different users. Content security is another massive feature packed into AAM. You can lock down posts, pages, media files, terms, and even custom content types or taxonomies. This means you control who can comment, create, edit, publish, or delete any piece of content on your site. Plus, you can set custom redirects for blocked users with clear messages or specific status codes. If someone tries to access a restricted page, you decide where they land instead. AAM also lets you manage roles and capabilities with surgical precision. You can customize WordPress roles, define new capabilities, and even remove capabilities that pose a risk. This is perfect for agencies managing client sites where you need different permission levels for different team members. Backend and menu control is another killer feature. You can restrict entire dashboard areas and tailor admin menus per user or role. Imagine hiding the plugin's menu from certain users so they can't accidentally break your site, or maybe you want to hide the theme editor because letting clients mess with code is just asking for trouble. AAM makes all of this possible with simple toggles and settings for developers and tech-savvy users. AAM offers API and endpoint management. You can secure RESTful and XML/RPC APIs by controlling exactly who can access them. This is crucial if you're building custom applications or integrations that connect to your WordPress site. AAM even supports passwordless and secure logins, offering a password-free login experience while keeping authentication safe. And here's something most plugins don't offer: the AAM PHP framework. This is a developer-ready toolkit that lets you build custom, secure access controls using a robust set of services and APIs. If you're a developer, this framework can save you an average of 80 hours of development work. That's real time and real money saved on every project. AAM version 7 just came out, and it is approximately 10% faster and requires less memory than previous versions. This is huge for websites that operate at scale or handle high traffic volumes. The entire backend was rewritten to make the framework more user-friendly, cohesive, and backed by official documentation. One thing I absolutely love about AAM is that it's ad-free and completely transparent. There are no annoying upsells, no bloated features you'll never use, just powerful security tools that do exactly what they promise. The plugin integrates seamlessly with WordPress, WordPress Multisit, and REST API. This makes it perfect for consultants, developers, and freelancers who manage multiple client sites. You can apply the same security rules across all your sites or customize them individually based on each client's needs. Let's talk about the AppSumo deal because this is where it gets really exciting. Normally, you'd be paying a monthly or yearly subscription for access to a tool this powerful, but with AppSumo, you get lifetime access for a one-time payment of just $49. That's a 51% discount off the regular price. Plus, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it risk-free and make sure it's the right fit for your site. And it's covered by AppSumo's We Got Your Back guarantee, which means you're fully protected. Here's what you actually get with your lifetime access. You can audit roles, permissions, and security gaps across your entire WordPress site in minutes. You can restrict content, URLs, and redirects by role, user, IP address, or even geolocation. That means you can block users from specific countries or IP ranges if you need to. You get access to 21 service modules for added control, including admin toolbar management, API route settings, custom login and logout redirects, and 404 redirect rules. Some of these modules are focused on developer needs, but most settings are accessible with just a few clicks. And if something breaks, a full reset restores all defaults so you're never stuck. AAM replaces multiple plugins you'd otherwise need for temporary access, user management, and advanced post restrictions. This means fewer plugins on your site, which improves performance and reduces potential conflicts. For agencies managing dozens of sites, AAM is a lifesaver. You can add or remove permissions on the fly with no code required, and you can produce executive-level reports and security summaries to show your clients exactly how their site is protected. Now I want to address who this is really best for. If you're a consultant managing client WordPress sites, AAM is a must-have. If you're a developer building custom solutions or membership sites, this tool will save you countless hours. If you're a freelancer who needs to give clients limited access without worrying about them breaking things, AAM is your answer. Even if you're just running your own WordPress site and want better control over users and content, this plugin is worth every penny. The flexibility and depth of control you get with AAM is unmatched by any other plugin in this space. You're not just getting basic role management, you're getting a full security framework that protects your site from within. It prevents unauthorized access, privilege escalation, and broken access controls, which are the leading security vulnerabilities in WordPress. So here's what I want you to do right now. Head over to the link in the description or check the first comment below to grab this deal before it disappears. Lifetime access to AAM for just $49 is an absolute steal. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that follow button and subscribe so you don't miss future reviews and deals. And drop a comment below if you want a complete tutorial on how to set up and use AAM on your WordPress site. I'll create a full walkthrough showing you exactly how to configure roles, restrict content, and lock down your site like a pro. Don't wait on this one because AppSumo deals don't last forever. Grab your lifetime access to AAM today and take back control of your WordPress site.